Guys, today I'm working on this little Izod jumper, new with tags. It's worth $30. Hoping to at least get 15. I'll probably list it for 20, but I do have a pretty substantial snag here. I hope you can see that's the little part that's caught, and then it's run right across here. So what I've done is taken a piece of thread and doubled it so that I have a loop at one end. This side here is going to go through the eye of the needle. It's really fuzzy now, of course. Okay, get those through, and I want the loop part to be longer than the other little tail, and I'm going to hold it here with my fingers. Sorry about my nails, girls. Don't judge me. Okay, so the first thing before I deal with the needle and thread, the first thing that I want to do is go beyond where I can see the snag has affected these fibers, and here it seems like it's okay. So what I'm going to do is pinch this part between my finger and thumb, and I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to go what I can see of the snag ends right here, and so just beyond that I'm going to pinch and I'm going to pull these. And the reason that I'm doing that is because that is going to put the fiber exactly where I wanted, and actually that took the entire thing out. There's not even anything for me to use my thread on. Okay, so to show you the thread technique, I went ahead and grabbed another garment. This is actually the lining of a little dress. I probably wouldn't take the time, except that I wanted to finish out this video. I probably wouldn't take the time to do something from the inside unless it was going to be extremely expensive. I was really going to ask a high dollar for it. So what I do is I use the back of my needle, not the sharp end, the back of my needle, and I go in right where that thread has been pulled from. And I'm just going to work the needle past that point and start to pull it. When I get closer to it, what I'm going to do is lasso that little bit of fuzz. I'd have to hold my finger in place as I pull. And we'll just tuck it to the inside. Sweep it a couple times with our finger, make sure it's not going to come back. And that is my little thread technique. I hope that this saves many, many garments from the landfill.